Is your toaster oven producing smoke, creating a burnt smell, or cooking food unevenly? Over time, grease, crumbs, and food residue can build up inside the appliance, affecting both performance and cooking results. Regular cleaning helps maintain efficiency, improve safety, and extend the life of your toaster oven. Welcome to HnKParts, your trusted source for quality appliance replacement parts. In today's video, we'll show you how to clean your toaster oven safely and effectively in just a few simple steps. Before you begin, unplug the toaster oven and allow it to cool completely. Never attempt to clean the appliance while it is hot. Start by removing the crumb tray, baking tray, and oven racks. Wash them using warm water, mild dish soap, and a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive scrubbers that may damage the finish. If your crumb tray is rusted or warped, it's best to replace it. You can order high-quality and durable oven trays and racks from HnKParts. Next, use a damp cloth and mild cleaner to wipe the interior surfaces. Remove grease and baked-on residue carefully, but avoid touching the heating elements directly, as they can be delicate. Then, clean the glass door and exterior using a non-abrasive cleaner or a 1-to-1 mixture of white vinegar and water to remove fingerprints, grease, and stains without scratching the surface. Once cleaning is complete, dry all parts thoroughly before reassembling the toaster oven. Run the unit on low heat for a few minutes to ensure everything is completely dry and operating properly. To keep your toaster oven cleaner longer, empty the crumb tray regularly, wipe spills quickly, and avoid using harsh chemical cleaners. If you need to replace crumb trays, racks, pans, or accessories, visit HnKParts.com for high-quality parts for your appliances. For more details, check out the complete guide, link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for the latest updates and appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.